Happy Friday, everybody. This is actually my first video. I'm super excited because I love trading. I love trading Forex. Like, that's my passion, that's my baby. So I decided that I want to share my passion with the world and with those who are interested in learning how to trade, and minus all the multi-level marketing companies, all the gimmicks, all the fake mentors out there that's going to just take your money. I'm just going to feed the information out there, and if you're interested, watch it, try it, learn it. I will have more videos to come in the future, and see if this is the industry that you would like to get into. This video, I am going to start with one of the basics of understanding chart analysis and trading Forex. Actually, this is not just for Forex. This is for all markets, stocks, options, NAS, whatever you want to call it, crypto. This is the fundamentals, the basics, and the backbones of trading Forex. So what I'm going to start with is, this is my chart here. Let me make this. Oh, what did I do? Oh no, let me get out this paper trading. Let me get rid of this right here. Okay, so this is TradingView. The first thing you need to do is set up an account with TradingView. I know there's going to be a lot of steps into this game that's going to seem scary to you, and you're like, oh my God, this looks so complicated. I promise you, follow along with me, and it's going to come second nature. So create an account with TradingView, and this allows you to look at the market, look at the live market, and see what's going on. This right now is live. Market soon close. Oh my gosh, I went so far back. And as you can see, there's time is moving right here. Price is right here. One of the main things you could do in Forex is you doesn't take an expert to look at this and say, hey, right here, price is dropping. Oh my gosh, right here, price is going up. Oh my gosh, my voice is. Anyhow, that's just something you could look with your eyes, but there's more technicalities to it. But let me not ramble on. Let me get straight into it. Support and resistance. Here on my TradingView, if you look up to the top right here next to the time frame, I put my chart online only because I want to show you guys this is going to be the easy way, and then I'm going to show you on the live chart. So this is a 30-minute. I could go up to the 4 hours on this pair. And as you can see, support and resistance is a level in price, if you look at your chart, where price has reacted to that level. If you look here, price came down, reacted, bounced off of this level, which we'll call support, broke through support, came back up, retested this area right here. As you can see, constantly retesting. That's called resistance. I want you guys to understand support and resistance are all in one. They're married together. Once you hit support, support will become resistance. Resistance will become support. It all depends on the market and which direction it's going. For instance, down here, you're on a downtrend, so this has become support. Once you broke this area right here and price started to go back up, this has now become a level of resistance. So kind of think of it as a butterfly, or, a sandwich. You have, P&J sandwich. You got peanut butter on one side and jelly on the other side. And that's how you identify. Now, this goes on multiple times in the market. Like I said, it's the area where price reacts and either bounces off that area or retraces to that area. Retracement, also known as pullbacks. So as you see, price bounced up. Now it's going to retrace because it's an uptrend. It's going up. So it's going to come down. It retraced right here. I need to probably make this bigger so you guys can see it a little bit more clear. As you can see, price came down right into this area right here. Push back up into this area right here. Oh my gosh. Okay, reacted, which pulled back. Price broke through this level, came down to the next level, then reacted, bounced right back. Ain't nobody respecting this level, right? In this time frame, this level gets no love. It got love back then. Back then, you used to like me, now again. Anyway, so I'm rambling. So price came back up. As you saw, it reacted. Let me show you how price comes to an area of resistance. Do you see? This is the formation of price now creating a level of support. It was once resistance, but price pushed up. Couldn't push back underneath the level of resistance. So now resistance became support. Bounced, came back up, came back down. I'm telling you, every time price comes down to a level and reacts, that's a level. Whether it's on this time frame or another time frame. Trust me, if you look to the right, you see it right here. This would have been a future notation if you was in a trade that, hey, price reacted here in the past, it may do it again. And it happens in the back end. If you look right here, price reacted in this zone. If you look right here, price reacted in this zone. So that's how you take advantage of the market. So like I said, this is on the 4-hour, and you're going to find that when you mark up these levels on a higher time frame, you can make your adjustments in a lower time frame and kind of, make it work. Now I'm going to change this from the line, because I don't trade with line graphs, to candles. As you can see here, let me make this bigger. You now got the picture. And I probably shouldn't even have done it online, but it doesn't matter, because I trade with candles. So I guess we'll just stick to that. I just wanted to help people see it a little bit more clearly. I'm going to show you something too. This is another level. Wherever you see price on one side, and you see price on another side. And where price has reacted, that's a level of support or resistance. I don't want to go too deep into this. I want to keep this recording under 10 minutes. Okay. Now, this is the 4-hour time frame. Let's go down to the 1 hour. And I want to show you how this works in the market for when you're analyzing the market in shorter time frames. And how you can utilize these areas to take profit or to enter a trade. This is a smaller time frame. As you can see, boom, right in our areas. And sometimes I like to just mark up. People are like, oh, you got a whole bunch of lines. Listen, I know what my lines mean to me. It may not be something that is worthy for you, but I know what it means. And when I'm trading and I see lines or I see areas, like for instance this, if I was to measure this out, how many pips would this be? That's 36 and a half pips. So if I'm in a trade here and I'm ranging or I'm going, I at least know, okay, from here to here is a good 36 and a half pips. Should I enter this trade if it doesn't hit? But But anyway, we'll discuss that later on. But this is the 1 hour. I want to now bust down to, let's go to the 30-minute. And every time you go down to a lower level, you could adjust your support and resistance. I could have drawn more, but I just want you guys to see this. Because honestly, I don't want you to have to draw a bunch of unnecessary stuff on your charts. Your charts doesn't necessarily have to look like this either. This is just for showing you guys how to identify support and resistance. And when price hits a high, like here, if you look to the left, boom. So that's all I really want to show you guys. Let's go down to the 15 minutes and let's see how this looks on a smaller time frame. You go up. Now on the 15 minutes, I could see this right here. You actually see smaller levels on a smaller time frame. Actually, I didn't mean to say smaller levels. You see the areas of support and resistance that you wouldn't probably see on a 4-hour chart, but you probably could scale it down to a smaller time frame to see, hey, what did price do? Let me dissect this, you know? So, how many more minutes do I have left? Oh my gosh, I went over. Okay, let me hurry up and get this over with. So that's support and resistance, guys. I will discuss this more as I mark up my charts. And this is how you could contain price. As you see, this is a 1-minute chart. This is how you could make your adjustments. But mine's is good right now. And this is a level that we didn't see. And I just want to show you how this level right here, settings, could possibly be nothing on a higher time frame. But on a 1-minute time frame, you see how it reacts. And then I am going to end this. You know what? I lied. I didn't mean it like that, but you would always see, if it's a level, it's gonna be a level no matter what. It just may not be as strong of a level on a smaller or higher time frame. So I need to correct myself. I don't want to confuse you guys as well, but just look at your charts. So if you're entering a trade, you know when to either enter, if you want to enter for a long, and take this all the way down to your level. Once it hits here, you know price is going to react. So I'm going to take a ride. I'm going to trade up here. And, you know, this is a fake out market correction right here. This gets people a lot of times because you would take this trade into a buy and then all of a sudden, woo, you're out. But then guess what? The next candle, the same exact candle comes back in and now you're back into profit. We will discuss this. When was this? The 13th at 5 p.m. I wonder if that was some type of news. But as you can see, these two candles right here. But you have these movements here. That's why you cannot always predict every single move in the market. But, you know. So price comes back up here. Bounces off. The resistance. Come back down. You got to now it create a different low. Well, actually, this is still a level. It's a level somewhere because it's a level right here. Comes up. Bounces off a resistance, come back down to support, go back up, and that is your levels of support and resistance. And I will show you how that comes into play when it comes to trading. So guys, I'm so sorry I didn't want this to be longer than it should have been. hit the like button, subscribe. I got so much gems for you. I got so much information for you guys. I got so much food for you to eat. And I'm doing this straight up out of my passion and my love for trading. So it's my first recording, guys. Come on this journey with me. All right? Peace. Peace. Who says peace anymore? Oh my gosh. I'm dating myself.